in mathematics, what we can say about the collection of well-defined objects?
Set.
Very good. So today we shall start the topic set. So what is set? What is set?
Collection of
Collection of
objects.
well-defined collection of objects.
Very good. Sets are collection of well-defined objects or elements, and the object and element are distinct from each other. Is it clear to everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm writing the definition of set. So the object in set should be different from each other. Means if I am making a set of sketch color, so the two objects are same, the red color. So it cannot form set. The set are that when all the objects in set are different from each other. When this is orange color, this is red color, and this is black color. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So what you can understand by element? What is element of a set? Element.
Member of a set.
Very good. Elements are the member of a set. Okay, tell me the vowels of alphabet.
A, I, O, U.
Very good. The vowels of alphabet are A, E, I, O, U. Okay. If I make a set of vowels of alphabet, I write B equals to A, E, I, O, U. So how I represent a set? The set always represented by capital letters. Is it clear? And the member of set are always represented by small letter in case of alphabet. Is it clear? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me for a set A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the members of this set A? What are the member of this set A?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Members are so can I say these all members belong to set A? Can I say this? These all
Yes, sir.
members 1, 2. So for representing belongs to any set, we write it like this. 1 belongs to A, and this also 5 belongs to A. It 6 belongs to set A. Age 6 belongs to set A.
No, sir.
No. So I write 6 like this does not belongs to A. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. Now I'm writing some important sets of mathematics used in chapter. So what do you understand by natural number? Natural numbers. What do you
Countable
understand by
numbers.
natural? Very good. The countable numbers are known as natural numbers. So if I make a set of natural numbers, I should write 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And this is set of natural numbers. So what does this Z represent? Here, what does this Z represent?
Integer numbers.
Very good. So I have make a set of integers, all integers. So Z is a set of all integers. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now coming to next subtopic, order of the set. What do you understand by order of the set?
Number of elements
Very
arranged in
good.
a set is number of elements a
Very good.
set is having.
Very good. Order of set is that or defines the number of elements a set having in it is known as order of set or cardinality of a set. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the order of set P? Red, yellow, green. What is the order or cardinality for this set P?
3.
3. Very good. Look, the P set contains red, the first element, yellow, second element, and green. Total number of element is 3. So cardinality for this set P is equals to 3. And we write it like this. Small n P is equals to 3. And what is the order of this set Q?
5.
5. Very good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So order of this set Q is equals to 5. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now coming to our next subtopic, representation of set. Okay. Look this example and tell me how you represented a set. How you represented a set.
In a brackets.
In a curly bracket. Yes, the element of set are represented within a curly bracket. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, in how many ways you can represent a set? In how many ways you can represent a set? Anyone?
Pardon?
In how many ways you can represent a set?
In a statement form. 3. Set builder.
3 ways. Very good. What are these? What are they?
Statement form.
Statement form. Very good. And
Set
second,
builder form. Set builder form.
set builder form. And
Roster form.
last, third, roster
Roster
form. Very good. Very good. So set can be represented in 3 forms: statement form, roster form, and set builder form. So how you represent a set in a statement form?
Set are written in close the brackets.
Very good.
but
Partially
in
correct.
statement form. So we write
Yes.
complete statement.
Yes. In a statement form, the sets are represented as like that. The description of element is written within a curly bracket. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm taking example. So write a set of even number less than 10 in a statement form. How would you represent in a statement form for a set even number less than 10?
Uh, we make a curly bracket and write a sentence of even number less than 10 in simple words.
Very good. Suppose we represent this set with capital A and we write the description of element. What is the description? Even numbers less than 10. Like this. Even numbers is it clear to everyone? Statement form. Is it clear? The statement form of set representation.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So how to represent a set in a roster form? how to represent a set in a roster form?
Between the elements, we put a comma sign. We
Yes,
separate with the help of comma sign.
partially correct. Anyone else? Look, for a roster form of set representation, we list all the elements with the help of comma between it. So, for roster form, I'm taking example. For roster form, all the elements are listed. Example, so how will you write a set of odd number less than 12 in roster form? How will you write set of odd number less than 12 in a roster form? Anyone?
1, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7, comma
9?
9,
Less than,
11,
less than 12? Very good.
11.
Very good. Very good, Ankita. So, for representation of set in a roster form, we have to list all the elements. We have to list all the elements. And what are the elements for odd number less than 12? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are the elements of in a representation in form of roster form. So we have to write, if we have to represent a set in a roster form, we have to list all the elements. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So what is set builder form? Set builder form.
The declaration of an state set.
Very good. The declaration or showing the property of elements for a set. So the general form of set builder form is equals to capital A is equals to in curly braces X colon the property of element like that. So I'm giving you example to represent a set in a set builder form. So write the given set A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 in set builder form. How would you represent in a set builder form for this given question?
X does that 2x,
Very good.
where x belongs to natural numbers.
Very good. Partially correct. Look, I'm solving this. First, we have to observe the element, and it's showing a property that they are even number or multiple of 2. Is it clear to everyone? These are the multiple of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 6, 2 4 is 8. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2 can be written as 2 into 1, I represented this element in the form of multiple of 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. Now we have to represent in set builder form. So A equals to x, and x is multiple of 2, means 2n, and this n belongs to natural number. This 1 2 3 4 belongs to natural number. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
This n belongs to natural number 1, 2, 3. So I write n belongs to natural number. And what is the limit of n? Anyone can tell what is the limit of n?
4.
Sorry? Please repeat.
Four.
Okay. Okay, I'm telling you. The limit for n is small n, this multiple, less than equals to 1, and greater than equals to 1 and less than equals to 4. Is it clear? And we close this curly bracket. Is it clear to everyone? Means we have to put first the value of 1, and so we get 2n, 2. After putting 2, we get 4. After 3, 6, and after putting 4, we get 8. So we had found the element for this set A. Is it clear to everyone? The set builder form. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now moving to our next topic, types of set. Okay, I'm showing you an example. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So I'm asking you to make a set of birds from this given demonstration or given figure.
Animals.
Find the set of birds from this. Can you
Please
find?
pardon.
Find the set of birds from this given figure or activity.
This is a
Can
set
you
of
find
animals.
animals? So you didn't find any animals. So it is a condition for empty set. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can you define empty set? How
In
can
which
you
the
define
element is not present. In which the
yes,
elements are not present.
a set having 0 element is known as empty set. This is also called void set and represented by this curly braces having no element or 5.
Null set also.
Null set. Very good. So our second set is singleton. Okay, I'm showing you again. So find a set for non-living beings from this cardboard. Set of non-living beings. Which one?
Car.
Star. Very good. So, what is the cardinal number for the set of non-living beings?
1.
1. Very good. So, how can you define singleton set?
Having one element.
Very good. The set having only one element is known as singleton set. Or we can say the order of this singleton set or cardinal number is equals to 1. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what do you understand by finite set?
In which elements are in finite number.
Finite
We
number.
can
Very good.
easily count.
Very good. Very good. So, for a finite set, the number of elements are countable and in a finite number. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, look at this infinite set. So, what do you understand by infinite set? What do you understand by infinite set?
Having infinite number of elements.
Having infinite number of elements. Very good. Having non-finite elements or infinite elements. Can you give example for infinite set? Example for infinite set?
Number of hair.
Number of hairs and number of natural numbers, number of integers. These are all examples for infinite set. Set of natural number. So, what do you understand by equivalent set? Equivalent set.
Having equal number of elements.
Having equal number of elements. Look, equivalent set can be defined if a set if for a two different sets. If this is a set of markers and this is a set of sketch pens, and how many marker or what is the order of this set for a marker
3.
and for the sketch pen?
3.
Very good. So equivalent set is defined as for two different sets having same number of elements or same order or same cardinal number is known as equivalent set. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
The last type of set, equal set. What do you understand by the equal set?
They
Two
have
exact
exact the
same
same elements.
Sorry?
set. Two exact same set.
Same set. Very good. if a set A having black sketch and red sketch, and set B having also black and red sketch, so we can say that the set A and B are equal. Am I clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear to everyone? Okay. For equal set, for two different sets having having exact element in both the sets is known as equal set.